Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of 3D text animation inside of After Effects. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First, create your text layer and fit it in the center of the composition. Now create a solid layer and apply element effect on the solid layer. Go to custom layers, custom text and mask and select your text layer and hide your text layer. Now go to scene setup and click on extrude. Now under the bevel copies, select 2 and click on bevel 2 and copy my values. Your 3D text is ready, but the textures are missing. Apply any textures you have. I am applying a chrome and a blue texture. Now click on OK. Now go to animation engine, enable it, make a keyframe for animation. Now go to group 1, particle loop, multi-object and enable multi. Add keyframe for rotation and the displacement. Highlight all the keyframes and move a few frames forward and adjust the values according to your need. Highlight all the keyframes and press F9. Now open the graph editor and copy my graph. Now your 3D text animation is ready. But you can see the text is animating from right to left. If you want the text to animate from left to right, go to animation engine, direction options and change the horizontal angle to 180 and you will have the text animation from left to right. There are more animation types in this element 3D effect. For that, go to animation type and select any option from the list such as uniform or radial. And that was it for the tutorial.